Welcome back to another Orca Trip video. Today we are in Arequipa, Peru. We just landed here moments ago from Lima. It's about an hour and a half, I think, plane ride. Pretty easy going. Took a nap. Gonna take it easy today. It's just a partial day here, so we're gonna go find some food, maybe take the drone up, see what the city looks like from above it. And then, yeah, tomorrow we're gonna be here for 3 days, so we have a lot to check out. So stay tuned and explore the city with us.
We found this traditional restaurant called Tradición Arequipeña. So we've ordered some lomo saltado and like a platter that has a whole bunch of different kinds of the local foods. We are so excited, it smells so good. We're all pretty exhausted and we are hangry at this point, so we're gonna go ahead and dig in. It's like a really nice crispy meat. Oh, it's really good. Spicy. Riding low and flying high, we can reach the morning light. Come on, baby, you should take my hand. I got bottles, I got booze. Roll the dice, you'll never lose. Come on, baby, you should take my hand. We're here at the Plaza de Armas in Arequipa, and behind me here is this beautiful cathedral. It's carved all out of stone. It's absolutely amazing. Very intricate, very, very beautiful. We are here at a rooftop bar. We're gonna grab some drinks, hopefully some piscos, and just relax for the rest of the night. We are on to day 2 here in Arequipa, and we have a lovely cooking class set up for us today. We're gonna cook 2 Peruvian dishes, ceviche and lomo saltado. The lomo saltado will be made with alpaca. So I'm a little bit nervous for that, but we're gonna embrace the culture, do as the Peruvians do, and try the alpaca. So we'll see you guys there. Any of you guys notice I have a little limpy leg? Yesterday I wore socks down the stairs and I slipped and fell and I like hit my ribs and my toe hurts still pretty bad, so a little gimpy. Our cooking class, got some piscos, and we are headed to the kitchen with Chef Arthur.
Okay, we're going to talk about the ceviche. Have you had the ceviche before, or is it the first time today? Each country makes different versions. Yeah, if you had the one in Mexico, it's going to be very different to the one in Peru. Yeah?
The little plate that has a chili, half a chili inside. Next to that, we have some garlic cloves, some little piece of celery, some ginger, 2 limes, sweet potato.
I'm getting close.
just any ceviche, Peruvian ceviche. These are little corn nuts almost, like dehydrated corn. And we roasted these on this gas stove. We seasoned with some garlic and some salt and some ginger. Up our cooking class here at Arthur in Arequipa. None of us had done a cooking class before, so the experience was really incredible, very unique. We got to cook with the head chef named Arthur, so it was just a really, really fun experience for all of us. Today it is nice and early. We are all wide awake and ready to get to the market. San Camilo market is the famous one here in Arequipa. They have this shrimp soup that we're all very interested in trying, and some queso helado, which sounds like cheese ice cream. I don't know, maybe it doesn't translate well, but we're excited to try all the good foods there today. And then we are going whitewater rafting on the Rio Chili, I think. That should be quite interesting. We haven't done any kind of activity like that before. My mom's here with us. I'm not saying she's old, but she's an older person, and so it should be quite thrilling for her. So we'll get started.
We're in the back seat of a cab. We've been doing this all over town. 5 or 6 and a 4-seater.
So behind us here is the San Camilo market that we've been looking for. It's one of the most famous markets in the city. It's going to have lots of different kinds of things to buy, like alpaca, there's clothing there, trinkets, lots of different typical Peruvian foods. So that's what we're most excited about. We heard to come here to grab breakfast. The San Camilo market, and it's all divided into kind of sections. So this is the fruit area. It has like wall-to-wall amounts of fruit everywhere. It smells so incredibly tasty. We want to try all the good fruits, but we are on a mission to find the shrimp soup. So there's this whole beautiful section of freshly made breads. It smells incredibly good, like they just baked them. There's flowers to the right. The aromas in here are just like absolutely incredible. The meat was making me a little sketched out just because my stomach's not feeling great today, but all of the sweeter aromas, it's so comforting, very good. You see how they're making it, like step by step? So while walking around the San Camilo market, we found this restaurant, and they have caldo de gallina, which is a chicken soup. I needed it to settle my stomach a little bit, and it is amazing how they make it. They just get their bowl first, empty. They put all the separate ingredients in, and then they put this really hot broth on top, so it kind of cooks while they're serving it to you. It's very, very tasty. It has noodles, it has some chicken, and a whole bunch of herbs. There's an egg in there. It's really delicious.
The broth is good. Very good. It's weird because it's almost like a spaghetti noodle.
So this is a famous dish, queso Queso Helado. It kind of tastes like a rice pudding, but it's like ice cream. It has like some milkiness. It reminds me of horchata. Has some cinnamon sprinkled on top. It is super, super tasty. How do we know which one to pick? To go whitewater rafting. Super excited. We have one down. Sean wasn't feeling that good today. We're all a little nervous because we've never been before and we don't want to get thrown off the raft into the really cold water, but I think we're gonna have a good time. We're just waiting now to get picked up. Hola.
Oh, you look so cute.
We're about to go rafting on the Rio Chili. It's a little river just outside of town here. Getting all geared up, suited and booted. Hi.
Getting ready to go white water rafting, first time ever. I don't have a, was I supposed to grab one?
Get one.
Got one. You ready, Ashley?
Yeah. Hopefully Mom makes it.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is the best thing. Okay, guys. The next rapid is full rapid class 2. Okay. Possible you'll fall out. Okay. You can swim?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Forward hand, forward hand. Forward hand. Forward hand. Let's go, inside, inside.
This is cool.
No more.
It is right where we're rafting.
I almost fell. Get up, get up. Forward now, forward. One leg, more forward, forward. Inside, inside.
Whoa.
Te cayó uno, te cayó uno. Vaya, se acaba. Get up, get up. Backwards, get up, backwards, backwards.
Backwards. Backwards, Emily, backwards. Backwards.
Backwards, backwards. 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 Forward now. Stop.
Forward.
Forward now. Stop. Stop. Forward now. Forward.
Forward.
Forward now. Forward now. Stop. Inside. Inside. Get up.
Get up, 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 up.
Forward.
Forward.
Forward. Forward. Forward.
Stop.
Stop. Breathe, Mom. Breathe.
Oh.
Breathe. Oh my God, baby. Okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Come on. Woo. Up. Get. Okay. Okay.
Here we go. You okay?
¿Estás bien? Te digo, nada, para acá, nada.
This is your bucket list. So scary. Hold on.
No.
Get up. Finish is here.
There you go.
They were probably scared.
Post interview, would you ever whitewater raft again?
I would.
You would? Would you fall out again?
No.
Really beautiful out here. Quite hard to film while you're in there. Quite fun. First time whitewater rafting, so nothing to compare it to in terms of intensity. It was fun. The most intense part was obviously when Rosemary fell out of the boat. Alright, so that wraps up our day here in Arequipa. The whitewater rafting was absolutely phenomenal.
It was like the most exhilarating thing I've ever done in my life. It was so scary, so fun. Mom flew off the raft. I mean, we literally thought she was going to die. It was very intense, and I think it will be a moment we'll remember for the rest of our lives.
That's for sure. It was a lot of fun. That moment was a little scary, but I think she's all right. Maybe a little concussed. But anyways, thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video. We will catch you in the next one, which is going to be in Cusco.
Yeah.
And then Machu Picchu.
Woo!
If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also feel free to subscribe. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye.